Okay, well, good morning students. In this video, we will discuss on the rest part of chapter 1 of standard 10, real number. As we were discussing on Euclid's division lemma, after that we had discussed on the application of Euclid's division lemma. Right now we will discuss on Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm. At first, we will try to know what is Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's you know, division you know, and algorithm, what is it? Euclid's division algorithm, it's a process, it's a method, it's a technique. Euclid's division algorithm, it's a process, method, technique, whatever you want to say. It's a process. Which type of process it is? कैसा process है ये? कैसा technique है ये? तो it's a process which is used to find the HCF of two given positive integer by using Euclid's division lemma. ये एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिससे हम लोग दो गिवन पॉजिटिव इंटीगर का HCF फाइंड करते हैं. किसकी मदद से? बाय यूजिंग Euclid's division lemma. It is a process to find the HCF of two given positive integer. और वो चलो दो पॉजिटिव इंटीगर हम लोग एक a ले लिए और दूसरा b ले लिए. Where a is greater than b. अब जब a is greater than b है, I was just saying Euclid's division algorithm. What is it? So it's a technique to find the HCF of two given positive integer by using Euclid's division lemma. Means here, as we have taken two positive integer a and b such that a is greater than b, means we will have to apply again Euclid's division lemma on these two positive integers. So just as we were discussing in our previous video, if a number is being divided by another number, on that moment we will get some quotient, also we will get some remainder. That's why on divide here I have written on step 1, on dividing a by b, let q is the quotient and r is the remainder. And you know what? By Euclid's division lemma, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Your dividend is a over here, divisor is b, quotient q r, means a equal to bq plus r. Already we have discussed regarding this in our previous video. And r must be greater than equal to 0 and less than b. Any doubt? Step 2, if r is equal to 0, अगर यहाँ हम जब फाइंड करें, डिवाइड करें और r अगर 0 हो जाए, if r equal to 0, on that moment HCF of a and b will be the divisor. HCF of a and b will be the divisor. Actually, if you will find the HCF of two number, on that moment the last divisor will be the HCF. The last divisor will be the HCF. And last divisor means what? A divisor which makes the remainder 0. Last divisor means a divisor which makes the remainder 0. वैसा divisor जो रिमाइंडर को 0 कर दे रहा हो. तो that's why I have written in the step 2, if r equal to 0, अगर यहाँ r 0 हो जा रहा है, मतलब this is the divisor जो रिमाइंडर को क्या किया? 0 कर दिया. तो HCF becomes b. And if r is not equal to 0, अगर r 0 नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो on that moment we will continue the process. Again we will apply Euclid's division lemma on divisor and remainder. On divisor and remainder. Now divisor will be the dividend and remainder will be used as a divisor. Am I clear? हम बोले आप a and b टू पॉजिटिव इंटीगर से रन कर रहे हो and a is being divided by b. On that moment q is the quotient, r is the remainder. Then by Euclid's division lemma this one will happen. If r becomes 0 over a, अगर यहाँ r 0 हो जा रहा है means this is the last division, means this is the HCF. And if r is not equal to 0, on that moment again we will apply Euclid's division lemma on divisor and remainder. Divisor and remainder by making divisor and remainder को क्या बना देंगे? तो divisor will be the dividend and remainder will be the divisor. divisor को आप dividend बना दो and remainder को आप divisor बना दो. Okay, then apply the Euclid's division lemma to b and r. Continue the process till the remainder 0. ये काम तब तक आप करते रहो जब तक कि remainder 0 नहीं हो जाए. And a divisor, एक time आएगा, a time will come when a divisor makes the remainder 0 and that divisor will be the HCF. These all techniques are known as algorithm. Means what is Euclid's division algorithm? So it's a process, it's a method, or you can say it's a branch of mathematics which is used to find the HCF of two given positive integer by using Euclid's division lemma. Any doubt? If you have some confusion, you can go through the examples, then it will be clear more. The method is also known as successive division method. इस मेथड का एक दूसरा भी नाम है successive division method. This method is also known as successive division method. Means question में if the question wants the HCF of two number by using Euclid's division algorithm or by using successive division method, you will have to find the HCF of those two particular number by using this method. Any doubt? This is Euclid's division algorithm. Now we will clear it by taking examples. Right now. Okay. Go through the example number 2 in the Agrawalji book. Using Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of the numbers 867, 867 and 255. Here we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. by using what? Equivalence division algorithm. So again, what we will do? We will apply equivalence division lemma on these two numbers. Here, which one will be treated as divisor? यहाँ आप किसको divisor लोगे? तो actually, we were discussing in the equivalence division algorithm for two positive integer a and b, where a is greater than b and a is treated as dividend and a smaller one is treated as divisor. Here 867 is greater, means this one will be the dividend and this one will be the divisor. So just we will write, since 867 is greater than 255. At first, go inside the rough. On that moment, it is easy to find. Go inside the rough and find the HCF of these two numbers by using division method. 255 divided by 867. It becomes what? 3 are 5 3s are 15 and 25 3s are 75. 75 and 1 76. 752 660 861. Now 255. It becomes 2 times 204. This becomes 51. The method is used by all of us in our previous classes, in our junior classes, like as class 4, class 5, class 6. On there we were using the method. By using this method, it is easy to write. The work is done inside the rough. Here, now 867 is divided by 255, then by equivalence division lemma. What will happen? 867 equal to 255 division into quotient. What is the quotient? 3 plus remainder 102. Okay. What is happening over here? This is the remainder. This is the divisor. Is this a last divisor? क्या ये last divisor है? This will be the last divisor if here the remainder is 0. ये last divisor होता कब? जब ये remainder 0 होता तो. But this is not 0. We will write what? Since 102 is not equal to 0. Hence, what? Just apply equivalence division lemma for what? Next divisor and remainder, means 255 and 102. Now you can see 255 is greater than 102, means 255 is the dividend and this one will be the divisor. 255 becomes 102 into divisor into quotient plus remainder. Again you can see that since 51 is not equal to 0. 51 is not equal to 0. फिर से देख रहे हो कि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं है. मतलब again apply equivalence division lemma for equivalence division lemma on what? Here divisor is 102 and remainder is 51. We will write since 102 is greater than 51. Hence, 102 is treated as dividend, 51 is treated as divisor, and 51 twos are 102 plus remainder. We will write since remainder becomes 0, hence 51 is the last divisor, and hence what? HCF of 867 and 255 is what? 51. This is the method which will give you the HCF of two given positive integer by using Euclid's division lemma, by using Euclid's division algorithm. Is it clear? All of you have understood? मुझे यहाँ इस दो नंबर का HCF चाहिए, तो सबसे पहले आप इस दो नंबर का HCF रफ में फाइंड कर लो. ओके, इससे क्या होगा? आपको ये राइट करना आसान होगा और परफेक्ट होगा. 860 here we can see whatever the two numbers we have been given. जो दो नंबर हमारे क्वेश्चंस में हमें दिया गया है, उस दो नंबर में जो ग्रेटर है that will be treated as dividend, और जो स्मॉलर है that will be treated as divisor. तो ये डिविडेंड हो गया, ये डिविजन हो गया. और जब आप इसमें यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा अप्लाई करोगे तो कुछ क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. तो क्वेश्चन सर क्यों नहीं लिए? क्यों ले? यहाँ तो क्वेश्चन मुझे मिल रहा है ना 3, रिमाइंडर मिल रहा है ना 102. तो एट द प्लेस ऑफ q we will treat as 3, and at the place of remainder हम लोग 102 लेंगे. ओके, एंड we are watching here 102 is not equal to 0, remainder is not 0. मतलब रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं हुआ, तो अब इस दो पे अप्लाई करो. अगेन रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 0, मतलब इस दो पे अप्लाई करो, एंड रिमाइंडर इज 0 मींस दिस इज द HCF. इज इट क्लियर? एनी डाउट? ओके, वेरी गुड. Actually, in the chapter, the contents are number system that we had learned, Euclid's division lemma, Euclid's division algorithm, already we have learned. Now, the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, and also the fundamental theorem of arithmetic to find the HCF and LCM. अब मुझे HCF and LCM फाइंड करने के लिए फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक से सीखना है, हाउ टू फाइंड.